I have another lease deal for you. So if you're in the market for a 2026 Ram, you do not have to have lease loyalty, but you must have employee pricing. So this is going to be zero down for just $492 a month.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, guys, we're going to talk about leasing. Imagine if you want to turn in your lease vehicle. You cannot just go straight to the lender. This is what happened to this lady right here. I ain't going to do too much more talking. Let's get right to it. Let's go.
Remember that when I got my lease, the cost of the car was $52,000, okay? So what I can do is go ahead and purchase the car at $32,000 and just be done with it, versus getting back into another lease that's probably at that $54,000, all right? So let's try to fill in the gap, see how much they're going to give us for it.
All right, so basically her residual for her lease was $32,000. That's what they're saying her car will be worth after the lease is up. It's $32,000. Now it looked like she's ready to go on CarMax and try to get, I guess, an appraisal.
Let them go through the process of letting me know how much equity is in the car, what is going to be the value of the trade-in. So let's see what they say. Let's see how long they're going to take. Frame damage. Okay.
What?
Yep, no frame damage, so that's good. Yeah. There's no frame damage.
Yeah, it better not be.
What are you looking for in the engine?
Any damage.
Any damage. So essentially, this is mostly about damage.
Yeah.
At least she know her stuff. I see that.
This is a new car, but if it's like an older car, it could have like wet spots in the hood.
Okay.
Like the coolant exploded.
Okay.
That's,
All right. Does it increase the value that the fact that it's a hybrid?
I don't do the prices.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So my car is a lease. So
Okay,
it's a
how
lease.
much do you know how much you owe?
At the end of the lease, I'll owe $32,000.
So, I mean, you have positive equity there, so you could just put that positive into the one that you want to finance and see those numbers with a salesman.
Okay.
And see.
Can I talk to a salesman?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I think what she's trying to do is sell her lease because she's saying she has some positive equity in the lease. That means her car is worth more than what the residual value was when she first got into the lease, because they determine that before you even take the car. That's the main thing you want to know, and make sure you got it right. And it didn't used to be like that back in the day. When you would lease a car, you had no idea what it would be worth. But now that's a set number, so you'll know exactly how much the car is worth before you sign that lease deal. So it looks like her lease is almost up, or it is up. So she's trying to determine whether or not she wants to sell it, give it back, get a new car, or she just want to take the equity out of it and pay cash for a car. That's basically what she's trying to do.
If you live in one of these states, you cannot buy out your lease without a dealership. I called in and started going through the process of buying out my lease. I said, hey, can I just do it directly with your Lexus Financial? They said, no, you cannot. If you did not live in the state of Florida, along with these other 7 states, which I will put in the comment section, you cannot just buy out your lease. I was looking to just pay my balance of the $32,000 and be about my day, but you can't do that if you live in Florida or one of those states. You actually have to come into the dealership, and then you are in the space of where you have to negotiate some of those fees. So let's kind of see what that process is like. I'm getting ready to buy out my lease, but I don't want to have to buy it out here. Can I just go straight to Lexus Financial as a way to just go ahead and buy it out?
To my knowledge, no, you can't.
Why not?
It can only go through a dealer. I don't know.
You have no.
That's crazy. I don't understand that. What difference do it make? I guess so the dealership can resell the car. That's the only reason why that makes sense. You know, that the dealer can take the car back and sell it as a certified used car to somebody else, so they getting paid twice. You know what I'm saying? Basically, they get paid twice. So I get it.
Idea why.
I couldn't tell you.
You have any idea what the cost would be?
It's going to be your payoff, your taxes, remaining taxes, and registration.
And then no additional dealer fee or anything like that? Really? That's not what the lady said over the phone.
What lady?
The lady. So essentially, that would not be correct. What you need to do is just pull your leasing agreement, and it specifically outlines the cost associated with buying out your lease. Obviously, you would have to pay the balance. In my case, in December, it's $32,000, right? Obviously, you have to pay your document fees. Those are $1,000. There's an administrative fee for $699. There's a safety inspection fee for $399. The safety inspection fee, I can't really justify, because what inspection do I need on a car that I've had for 3 years? I essentially already know that it's safe. That's why I'm buying it.
That's crazy. And that's why I'm covering this, guys. So I've been getting a lot of messages. People ask me about leasing cars. And even myself, I'm interested in leasing. And this video right here pretty much breaks it down, because it's hard to find information on leasing. You understand what I'm saying? People don't really give you the scoop on the fees and things like that when it's time to turn the car in or you try to buy it out. So somebody actually sent me this video, and I reached out to this lady right here. I'm gonna put her information in the description of this video. So make sure y'all go check her out, because she seems to be doing a lot of financial stuff, real estate, all different types of things she's doing over there on her page. So y'all go check her out. But this is a really good video to kind of break down what happens when you're leasing a car, because there's a lot of fees associated with this, man. I don't know.
So I got my little offer. See what they're gonna do at the dealership. What do I got?
See what Lex is talking about.
Okay, so CarMax has us at 39. Yep.
39 at CarMax.
I'm walking out with some equity in my car.
Cause she said it's valued at $32,000. Well, no, that's what the residual value is, and CarMax appraises at 39. That's pretty good. She got some decent equity in that car. Let's see what Lex is gonna do.
Yeah, I'm looking at the equity in it. Do you have a lot of people that buy out their leases?
Yes.
You do. Right now. Yeah.
I mean, new cars right now is higher than ever.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Mileage.
Yeah, they're gonna appraise the mileage. They're gonna do videos around the car, make sure everything's to part and everything like that.
Okay.
So you'll park it right over here.
Okay.
And I'll meet you over here. Okay. Follow me this way.
Okay. Thank you.
And Lex.
All right. So now they're gonna appraise it. They better hope they can beat this 39,000. They think they're about to be spending a whole bunch of time. I'm about to be going.
I know that's right.
So you're looking at interior and exterior?
Yes.
Okay.
So she went to several Lexus dealerships.
I do have an offer from CarMax. Did they show it to you?
No.
It's for 39.
39?
Uh-huh.
See, that's the only thing I wouldn't do, is tell the other dealerships what the other dealership offered me for the car, because they can play with the numbers. Sometimes you just gotta, like I always say, guys, on this channel, you can't put all your cars out there yet. You gotta let them do what they do and keep that stuff to yourself. But I guess it really don't matter at this point.
See what we can do.
Let's see what we can do. Because I don't even have to do it until December, technically.
Are we looking to trade out, or are we looking just to sell it?
We got to see. We got to see.
See what makes sense.
Number if you're just selling it. 100%.
Well, all right, let's see.
So I take the trade, I'm going to give you much more.
Well, let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. Opposed to selling
Buying a car from me with swapping keys, you're going to get more than just selling it. Though.
Okay. So you're going to give me both prices, or you're going to hide one of them?
No.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. After they did my while they did the appraisal, I had to make sure I actually have my keys, because that's one of the things they love to do at the dealership. They like to hold on to your keys.
Yeah,
so
keep
they
you
can
there.
just hold you hostage.
Yep.
What we got?
So for your vehicle, if you're looking to trade it in with us, I'm at 37. If you're looking just to sell it to us, I'm at 32.
If I want to sell it to you at 32,
wow.
And if I want to trade it with you, you're at 37. Okay, so you're not going to try to.
So this is the thing, is selling it.
That's crazy.
But if you're trading the vehicle with us with the tax savings and stuff, it's almost the same thing.
Okay.
1,000
from CarMax, and then we're at 37 with the Lexus dealer. So now I can give one more appraisal. I give one more appraisal.
That's wild. He said they're gonna give her 32 if she traded in, Like, I don't understand that. I mean, I understand it because what they're gonna do is they're gonna put it on their lap for 39 on top of the fees and the taxes and all that. You know what I'm saying? See how the dealership play with the numbers, man? That's crazy. But if she sell it to them, they'll give her 37 for it. That's just crazy. That's how they play with these numbers, man. That's why, like I say, I want to lease my next vehicle under the business name for my new channel. And y'all go subscribe to that channel, Full Tank. That's why I'll be doing all the car customizations, all the new car, all that kind of stuff. It's gonna be on that channel. Because I don't want to be locked into just one car. I want to be able to keep the channel fresh and keep switching the cars out for different content. Um, so that's why I was looking at leasing. So when someone sent me this video, I was like, this is perfect. I can share it with you guys, and hopefully we all can learn something about leasing. But it seems like if you're not on top of your game, they can play with the numbers because you got to think about. They'll say, well, you're gonna save money on the taxes, so we might give you 32, but you're gonna get $2,000 in tax credit. So it's gonna be like, really, I'm giving you 34. That's like, nah, Slim, that ain't gonna work, bro. And that's how they play with the numbers, guys. So leave it in the comments, man. If I said anything wrong, like I say, I'm not perfect. I'm just kind of going off what I'm seeing in this video. And if I said something wrong, please leave it in the comment section. If you're familiar with leasing, put the information in the comment section, guys, because it'll help out everybody. We all gonna learn something.
Realistic payments on a $40,000 car.
Here we
In
go.
my opinion, this is the best $40,000 car on my lot. This is a 2024 Tesla Model Y Performance.
Tesla.
This car's completely blacked out and we got red calipers on here too. And for those curious about the software, self-driving computer 4, and it has right under 11,000 miles. Not really much to show interior-wise. You guys already know what this looks like.
Look nice though.
All right, so we have everything plugged into AutoSense. The price actually got reduced, so the car's listed at $37,999. Financing for 72 months at $5.99, assuming credit's perfect. Registering in New Jersey and $1,100 in fees. Down payment's also at 0. This is sign and drive. As soon as we go ahead and press calculate, our monthly payment's $689.51.
Oh no.
If you make payments for the full 72 months, you'll be paying about $8,000 in interest. If you were to put
crazy.
$10,000 down, that payment only drops to $524. The one thing that's up in the air when it comes to these electric cars is how much insurance costs, so let's run a quick quote. Looks like I'd be at $258 a month for this car, but if you guys want to get a quote, you can use my bio. At $40,000, would that Tesla Model Y be your pick?
5,900 premium. I don't know what that was. That's crazy. See, what you gotta think about with electric cars. If you finance a Tesla, once it's out of warranty, something happened with that battery, you on the hook for it. Those batteries like 20,000 or 25,000, something like that. So that's why I said if I was to ever if I was to ever buy an electric car, I would lease it. Because after a couple of years, 2-3 years, I'm either gonna give it back or give me a brand new one. I don't want to be responsible for no battery. And they talking about 72 months, 6. Nah, man, ain't no way, Slim. That's crazy.
You can go to college and you spend $2,000 a month on a green BMW. Forget what anybody else will tell you. They'll tell you it's stupid, but like, this is one of the best things that you could ever do with your money. I got the car in 2025, February. Used the car broker to get the car. I was looking for like maybe like a month or 2 months before getting the spec. I actually wanted the spec with the orange interior, but I ended up getting the black, which I'm kind of happier I got the black anyway. I pay $17.90 a month right now with nothing down.
That's crazy.
It was $105 out the door, and honestly, people are gonna tell you don't spend your money on a car. This is one of the best financial decisions I've ever made. Best investment I've ever made, because the car helps me with my brand, my business, recruiting, you name it. But honestly, it's so fun to drive. Like, being young and having a fast car is the dream.
I mean, I can dig it because I've been there. I mean, I've never paid $1,700 a month, but I get what he's saying, the whole concept. Now, that's cool if it works out, and I wish all the best of luck to this young guy, man, but that's a lot to bank on. You know what I'm saying? 105. Could you imagine looking at your credit report and say $105,000 for a car? And this dude look like he's 21 years, 22 years old. He about the same age as my son. Ain't no way I would agree to one of my kids right now having $105,000 car. Not even my older daughters. You understand? It's other things you can spend your money on, bro. But I mean, I get it. And those cars are expensive. And like I say, I ain't gonna knock my man hustle. I understand. Sometimes, you buy a car like that, it does make you grind because you don't want to get it repoed. But it's not something I would recommend. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. I hope we all learned something. That's why I make these videos. If you're new to the channel and you got some knowledge, put it in the comment section. I've been getting a lot of good information in the comment section lately. Make sure you guys continue to hit the like button. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next. Peace.